welcome back to my channel. Now, as we move into a new year, let's talk about getting fit and healthy the natural way. Yes, I know we're still enjoying the feasts and festivities, but at least we can start thinking about it, can't we? Because quite often we push to the back of our mind what we really want to start doing for our optimal well-being. And we say to ourselves, well, I'll make it my New Year's resolution to make the change. And before we know it, spring is upon us, and we're nowhere close to having a plan before summer arrives. Yep, it's a long look into the future to be talking about spring, but in reality, that's how things turn out. So for many of us, it just seems to fly by. Now, don't put that unrealistic pressure on yourself by thinking you'll make that switch immediately when the new year arrives. Just start mentally preparing yourself. That's all you've got to do. About how herbs can complement your health goals, boost your energy, and leave you feeling ready to go. So these are your best allies if you want to start somewhere. Now, I'll share how these herbs can complement your lifestyle to boost energy and recover from the festive feasts and get you mentally focused and on track to a better start to succeed with your intentions. So let's start with ginseng root, which is known for its adaptogenic properties. Now, ginseng boosts energy and endurance. Now, a study in the Journal of Ginseng Research confirms its role in improving physical performance. And over here, I've got some gotu kola leaves. Now, gotu kola is often used to enhance focus and support recovery. And it's a staple for mental and physical health. And then we have turmeric. Now, turmeric, on the other hand, with its anti-inflammatory effects, can help reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery post-workout. So why am I talking about working out? Okay, let me explain. First of all, you can pair these herbs, however, with a consistent exercise routine. Yep, I said it, exercise. But start small. Try walking, yoga, or just light strength training for 2 to 3 times a week. Even if you just do a half-hour brisk walk a day, think of it as 15 minutes one way, 15 minutes back the other. And when you take these wonderful herbs, you're going to find that it's going to boost your energy, your endurance, and the power that you need to really keep forging ahead and make those changes bit by bit. Now, if you pair these herbs together, as I said, with consistent exercise, you can start a routine anytime you're ready. Just have your herbs ready, get yourself mentally prepared, and now to make an energy boosting tea, all you need to do is take 1 teaspoon of each of these herbs. Apart from turmeric, you'll only need about half a teaspoon and a pinch of black pepper to enhance the turmeric's absorption. So that's 1 teaspoon of ginseng, 1 teaspoon of gotu kola, and a half teaspoon of the turmeric powder with a dash of black pepper. And just drink 1 cup 30 minutes before exercise or a brisk walk. And that's it. Now, that's an achievable and realistic way to set your good intentions into the new year ahead and start feeling great. Now, all these herbs are available at naturalworkshops.com with 50% off your first order to get you started on your journey. But don't wait, get them now so you can make yourself accountable to begin your health journey to becoming fit and healthy this coming new year. And to help you further, join our Telegram group community to connect with like-minded health seekers access exclusive tips, and ask your questions directly and get accountability from a supportive network of health seekers. I'll add the link in the description below for you. So thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, of course, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on natural solutions for your well-being. So until tomorrow, stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.